So today you join us at our final flight in our little mini series of flying in America.
We're at Nuys Airport, which is probably the most famous general aviation airport in the world. It's like the home of flying in small planes, but it's since become, it's essentially, Nuys is essentially the private airport for Hollywood. So
the likes of Marilyn Monroe used to fly into here, the Kardashians fly into here, Lady Gaga, so all of your celebs and actors who want a bit more of a sort of low-key entrance. It's going to be a pretty epic flight actually. So we're going to come out of Van Nuys, we're going to do like just the most incredible route Adam's shown me on the map.
This aircraft is equipped with 2 emergency exits. Please take a moment to locate your nearest exit, as it may be behind you.
And I'd say, in the event that the slide.
Oh, the slide, yeah.
They would say, take off any high heels.
Please remove your high heels before evacuating via the emergency slide, as they may tear the slide and hinder your evacuation. We thank our frequent flyers for joining us today, and we hope to see you again soon.
Yeah, we're right behind that jet.
So that's why he's asked us to use full length, because we're going to take off before the point where he's lifted up.
Really?
Cabin crew doors to automatic and cross-check.
Cessna Delta Hotel, southbound 101 freeway, eastbound turn approved, maintain at or below 2000. Wind 1006, 116 short full length, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 16 right, not above 2,000 feet, sky okay, Delta Hotel.
Contact Burbank Tower now 118.7, advising of your intentions. Good day.
We'll fly current heading and we'll change to Burbank Tower 118.7, thanks for over that, 8 Delta Hotel. Burbank Tower Skyhawk 618 Delta Hotel, just requesting a transition to the Hollywood side.
November 618 Delta Hotel, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 2994, maintain vehicle at below 1,800, transition approved.
Altimeter 2994, not above 1,800, transition approved. Am I okay to fly direct to the Hollywood side from my present position?
November 8 Delta Hotel, multiple jet departures off on the one side will be southwestbound. Turn southeast and plan to follow the Ventura Freeway on the south side.
Copy, planning to follow the Ventura Freeway on the south side. Skyhawk 8 Delta Hotel.
8 Delta Hotel, are you going to be turning to the south?
I'm going to proceed ahead straight direct to the Dodger Stadium from here. Skyhawk 8 Delta Hotel.
Cessna 8 Delta Hotel, radar service terminates, clock 35 change approved.
Squall VFR frequency change approved. Skyhawk 8 Delta Hotel. Thanks for your help with that. Surreal. Downtown traffic, Skyhawk 618 Delta Hotel is approaching the Dodger Stadium. We're going to turn southbound and fly south of downtown before heading up to West Hollywood. Skyhawk 8 Delta Hotel.
We've sat there before, I can see our old seats.
This is downtown Los Angeles, obviously.
It's the traffic.
Will speed the traffic, doesn't it? Even on a Sunday morning.
Oh my god.
Isn't this surreal?
Wow!
traffic, Skyhawk 618 Delta Hotel. We're just passing to the south of downtown now. We're going to turn up towards the West Hollywood area. LA traffic. Altimeter 29992. I'm just wondering whether we could fly direct to Santa Monica Pier. We're coming from the Hollywood area, overhead the Getty Center. Hope to overfly the pier at 1000 if possible. Skyhawk 8 Delta Hotel.
Number 8 Delta Hotel, squawk 0206. Your transition is approved.
Wow!
There's the surf rider, can you see it? To the pier and then
yeah.
with the...
There's our room!
There's our room, checking in when? When are we back?
No! There's that house I've always wanted to look at.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, high, less than 1 mile.
Isn't it amazing? And that is our favourite beach in the world.
I love that beach! Favourite!
Skyhawk 8 Delta Hotel, runway 16 right to the 1.
Clear to land runway 16 right, Skyhawk 8 Delta Hotel. To land on the most famous runway in the world. This is so cool. While the Gulf Stream waits for us. Look at the 8 jets waiting for us to land.
Nuys Airport, Romeo Lisa, transponder, squawk 1071. 1071 for 90 Romeo. Nuys Airport, Romeo, contact SoCal departure. Order departure.
A bit of a bounce there.
Not bad.
That'll do.
Skyhawk 8 Delta Hotel, 2 Hotel, contact ground point 7.
Right at Hotel Ground Point 7. Thank our frequent flyers for joining us and those in the business and premium cabins for their custom. If you have any loose change, please place it to the...